So if you have a new 2020, or if you have an existing one, you need to add fields. You can do it through the 2020. I suggest doing it on the FieldView app. So I'll show you that. So here from the home screen, in the upper right, there's fields. Now there's multiple ways to get fields in here. One is, if you've had a 2020 in the past, you add FieldView to it, all your fields from the 2020 will sync over. If you have a new 2020 in the FieldView system, and you map your fields in Climate Basic, either now or in the next few business days, your fields should be showing up on the FieldView side. Or you can hit the plus button right there and select a client, or add a new client, select a farm, or add a new farm, and then type in your field name. Sometimes things go to, if you don't select client or farm, it goes to default. I would suggest always having a client or a farm, even if you have 15 fields and you call the North 80, the back 40, Bill's, Bob's, whatever it might be, and you don't use clients and farms, you just have field names, just put in your name or your farm name for the client and the farm. So it doesn't say default client, default farm. It's a lot simpler if you go to later, you say, hey, I have a problem with my downforce system this spring. Can I email you from my website? Can I email you the field file? You look at the downforce map, me, Aaron, whoever, if you wanted somebody to look at it, and let me know what you think was going on. Well, if it shows up under default client, default farm, or North 80, and somebody else emails us a North 80, we're going to have to zoom out, figure out where it's located in the world, and to figure out which field it is. If it says Baker Farms, North 80, it's pretty easy to figure out whose it is. I can touch in here where it says client, and I can either select from a list if I already have some in there, or I can type a new one in. I'll put KC, and then if I touch create, it's going to create that client. Now, under that client, I'm going to create the farm. So there's clients, under the clients are farms, under the farms are fields, right? So I'm creating this farm under a specific client. So here I can put in a farm, meaning, and then back, shed, field, whatever. And if I hit add, now I've just created the client, the farm, and the field. Okay, so now if I go search fields, there you can see back shed field.